Now, meaning is one of those things that's fundamentally important to us as human beings. We need to have something bigger than ourselves. And if we don't, then often there's a level of just enjoyment and sustainability in practice that won't exist for you. Now, finding out where we get meaning can be a challenge. And I often ask people to start with 3 different questions to ask themselves. Who do you like helping? So for me in the early days, I really loved helping athletes, and then I liked helping families, and then I liked helping kind of professional people. So that's the best spot for you to start. Like, where do you like to spend your time? The second question is who can you help to get results for? Because if you, for instance, really love looking after kids, but you're not skilled in helping them get results, then there's going to be a lack of meaning. This is going to cause a lot of stress and frustration. The third question to ask is who can actually pay for your services? Unless you're running a not-for-profit business, then it's important that people be able to actually afford their care. We make practice way more difficult. Now, I'm not suggesting that you shouldn't have scholarship cases. We absolutely had that, but we wanted to target and work with people who could afford our care. And that allowed us to give a certain amount of care away afterwards.